Hello grade 4, and how are you doing? This is Miss Suzanne. Today we will solve together Find the Area Problem Solving Lesson 13.5. The first thing, let's read the first example together. A landscaper is laying grass for a rectangular playground. This is the rectangular shaped playground. The grass will cover the whole playground except for a square sandbox. So there is a sandbox and the playing ground will not covered with grass. The diagram shows the playground and the sandbox. How many square yards of grass will the landscaper use? So here he will measure the areas by square yards. So the units here are in yards. Use the graphic organizer below to solve the problem. Okay, so first, let's see what are the givings. The givings here are the dimensions for the big square, the big rectangle. We have here 25 yards is the base and the height is 15 yards. And the dimensions for the square has equal sides, of course, so that's why he has only one dimension, and its dimension is 6 yards length and 6 yards height, of course. So next question, what does he want me to find? What do I need to find? So I need to find how many square yards of grass the landscaper will use. So the next question, what information do I need to use? Okay, so the grass will cover the whole rectangular shaped playing ground. The grass will not cover the square sandbox. The length and the width of the playing ground is, the length is 25 yards. And the width is 15 yards. So everything here is put it in detail. And the length of the square is 6 yards each side. Oh, sorry, this is 15, should be not 5. Okay. So how will I use the information? I can solve simpler problem. First, find the area of the rectangular playground. Find the area of the square sandbox. Then we subtract them together. The area of the square sandbox from the big rectangular playground. There's no A here. Okay, so find the area of the playing ground. So let's find the area. We have here the formula of any area of any rectangular shape is A equal BH, right? Right. So A is the area. B stands for the base. What is the base? It's 25. So we will write here 25 multiplied by the h. The height is 15. So if you multiply 25 times 15 will give you 375 square yards. Next, the next area. The area of the square is multiplying b times h. And because b and h are both the sides of the square and they are both equal, so that's why he said the area is equal s times s, because it's the same side length. So each side length is equal 6 times 6 equal 36. Is that right? Now let's minus 375 minus 36 will give me. Can I minus 6 from 5? No, so I need to borrow from 7. So 7 will be 6 and the 5 will be 15. So 15 minus 6 will be 9. This will be 9. Then 6 minus 3 will be 3. What a bad font. And 3 minus nothing will be 3. So the final answer now would be 339 yards, the net grass area. Let's read it together. Patch is playing a rectangular brick patio for a new museum. Brick will cover the whole patio except for a rectangular fountain. So you will put a fountain here and not in the middle, but it will be in the patio area. As shown in the diagram, how many square meters of brick does Patch need? So in this case, first, what is the question here? What does he want me to find? So this is the first question. How many square meters of brick that does Patch want? Okay, what information do I need to use? We need to use the dimensions of the rectangular brick patio and the area of the fountain. So how will I use the information? Find both areas of the fountain and the patio, then minus them together. Then minus the two areas to find the net patio area. So again, find both areas of patio and the fountain, then minus the two areas to find the net patio's area. So first, what is the patio's area? The big rectangular shape area. So use the formula A is equal BH. A equal B times H. Then fill the formula. A is equal, B here is 20 times H is 18. So this equal, put the 0 and 2 times 18 will be 36. So it will be 360 and the unit here is in square meters. Okay, so the next area is the area of the fountain. The area of the fountain has the same formula, B times H. So again, the area of the fountain will be B. Here is 2 times H will be 5. So this would equal 10. And the unit again is the same unit, square meter. Of course, if you want to minus two things, they should have the same dimension. So I can't minus something with square meters from something is square yards. That's nonsense. So now let's minus. So the net area equal 360 minus 10 is equal 350 square meters. and hope that you understood the lesson. Thank you, grateful, for watching. I hope that you found this lesson is easy, and see you tomorrow with another lesson. Bye bye.